there are multiple toppers notes, there are multiple books. So I think zeroing down on the resources, I relied just and only on your classes. सर उन्होंने थिंकिंग ऐसे डेवलप की, सर आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर एक क्वेश्चन था कि एक क्लीन स्लेट वाला क्वेश्चन था. आपने बोला था अ चाइल्ड इज बॉर्न एथिकल और ही इज मेड एथिकल, ऐसा क्वेश्चन था. तो सर मैंने उसमें आंसर लिखा था कि चाइल्ड इज बॉर्न लाइक क्लीन स्लेट और ये सब. तो सर वो मैं असली पेपर में भी रिप्रोड्यूस करके आया हूँ, मतलब कहीं ना कहीं लिख के आया हूँ.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on Elite Academy and welcome back to our ethics PYQ discussion where we try to understand not only how to approach the question, उसका content भी समझते हैं और साथ में बहुत सारे आंसर राइटिंग टिप्स को भी हम समझते हैं, डिस्कस करते हैं. एंड आई एम वेरी श्योर दैट द प्रीवियस वीडियो वुड हैव हेल्प्ड यू. बहुत सारे लोगों का encouraging मैसेज आया, you guys have liked it and it is helping you in your answer writing approach. So we are glad that it is helping you. So today we have taken this question where we will understand a PYQ of 2017, which is again a 10 marker. We have to write in 150 words and the question is talking about the crisis of ethical values in modern times is traced to narrow perception of good life. Discuss. Before I discuss the proper introduction, body conclusion जैसा मैंने previously discuss किया, मैं यहाँ पे कुछ other aspects को discuss करना चाहूँगा. कुछ philosophical aspects को देखेंगे हम लोग, कुछ क्वेश्चन की जो ब्रॉड थीम है उससे रिलेटेड देखते हैं. सो द क्वेश्चन इज बेसिकली फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट यूनिट वेयर वी रीड अबाउट द एथिक्स, वी रीड अबाउट द एथिकल वैल्यूज फ्रॉम आवर रिलीजन, फैमिली और जो भी हमारी सोसाइटी में हो रहा है वहाँ से हमें एथिकल वैल्यूज कैसे मिलते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट आर एथिकल वैल्यूज, ये क्वेश्चन वहाँ से है. नाउ in order to approach such question, first I would say that you should always have your broad understanding, you should have a good observation about your society, yourself, your family as well. ऐसे questions के लिए जब आप topics पढ़ते हो उस टाइम पे ही अगर आप अपने observation को बहुत strong रखते हो, those observations will be very very helpful for you in such questions. Now let's talk about your family, talk about our parents, our school, our religion. हर जगह हमें जो ये ethical values दी जाते हैं और philosophies for that matter, इतनी सारी philosophies हैं कि good life का मतलब ये होता है और the ethical values which are there. तो हमारे जो दादा परदादा लोग हैं वो लोग क्या कहते हैं? गुड वैल्यू, अच्छे से रहो, प्यार से रहो, लव, टुगेदरनेस, हैप्पीनेस, हेल्पिंग ईच अदर, रेस्पेक्ट फॉर ईच अदर, राइट? These are the certain values, ethical values which are part or which are treated as a component of, which are the ingredients of good life. सबको पता है कि साथ लेके कुछ नहीं जाना है, पैसे लेके नहीं आना है. वी हैव कम अलोन, वी विल गो अलोन. देयर इज नो पॉइंट इन फाइटिंग, देयर इज नो पॉइंट इन एक्यूमुलेटिंग वेल्थ बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली वी विल नॉट कैरी देम टू दी ऑन आवर जर्नी टू हेवन और हेल, जहाँ भी लोग जाएं. इसलिए कर्म अच्छे होने चाहिए. द फोकस ऑफ गुड लाइफ इज कि आपके जो कर्म हैं वो अच्छे होने चाहिए. नाउ एवरी डे, बी इट योर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, योर पेरेंट्स, योर कॉलेज में, आपके स्कूल में आपके टीचर्स, और इवन इन योर सोसाइटी, योर रिलेटिव्स, योर पीयर ग्रुप, योर नेबर्स, यू वुड हैव कम अक्रॉस सच डिस्कशंस, यू वुड हैव कम अक्रॉस सच फ्रेजेस कि अच्छा लाइफ, अच्छे से जियो, खुशी से जियो, दैट इज द बिगेस्ट वेल्थ. सो दिस इज व्हाट इज योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. पहले आपने जो सीखा है, पढ़ा है, ये आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग है कि एथिकल वैल्यूज क्या होते हैं गुड लाइफ के लिए, और गुड लाइफ का मीनिंग क्या है ये भी आपको पता है. नाउ इफ वी टॉक अबाउट इन द मॉडर्न टाइम्स, क्या प्रॉब्लम्स आपको नजर आ रही हैं? यू आर सीइंग दैट देयर इज एक्यूमुलेशन ऑफ वेल्थ, मटेरियलिज्म एंड बहुत सारे डिसरेस्पेक्ट इज देयर, पीपल आर किलिंग ईच अदर ओवर द इश्यूज लाइक प्रॉपर्टी. बच्चा अपनी माँ को मार दे रहा है ओवर पिटी इश्यूज, गेम नहीं खेलने दिया इस वजह से, या पैसे नहीं दिए इस वजह से, या किसी चीज को पेरेंट्स ने रोक दिया, टीचर्स को स्टूडेंट्स मार दे रहे हैं. यू आर कमिंग अक्रॉस सच न्यूज ऑन डेली बेसिस. दैट इज द मॉडर्न टाइम. नॉट ओनली पर्सनल लाइफ, यू आर ऑल्सो कमिंग अक्रॉस द अबाउट मॉडर्न टाइम जब आप एनवायरमेंट के रेस्पेक्ट में देखो. नाउ गुड लाइफ इज व्हेन वी आर इन हार्मनी विद आवर एनवायरमेंट, व्हेन वी आर इन हार्मनी विद इक्वालिटी, इक्विलिब्रियम. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो has gone for a toss, right? So be it any aspect, the individual aspect, societal aspect, environmental aspect, work, कहीं भी आप देखोगे तो in modern times we will see the crisis of those ethical values, and this is coming from your observation. Here, even if you don't read it from any particular book or class, then also you can write this answer, but two things will matter कि आप इस क्वेश्चन को अप्रोच कैसे कर रहे हो first, and then definitely for writing you need some guidance. आप इसको कैसे write कर रहे हो, that will matter. Yes, when we teach in our class, in my class, when I teach about ethics, Ethical values we emphasize on such learning. Thought to ponder, आपने तो शार की वीडियो देखी होगी. हम we have discussed about thought to ponder, we have discussed about how our classes are conducted. So there we emphasize that you have to think like this. In ethics, you have to focus more on thinking. This is the tip number 1 for the day. Now, if we go ahead with exam orientation, ये तो आपकी understanding हो गई concept के बारे में, how you should understand these topics, how you should relate these topics, how should you bring your observation. This is about your conceptual clarity and about taking this question, or whenever you are approaching such question, how to approach them, or how can you bring or you can recollect your content. But when we strictly talk about exam orientation, that to answer writing point of view, then we will see it from introduction, body, conclusion point of view, and then accordingly we will see कि हमारा approach होना क्या चाहिए. Right? So fair enough. आपको कुछ learning मिली कैसे approach करना है. Now let's talk about introduction, body, conclusion. Now the question is, the crisis of ethical values in modern times is traced to narrow perception of life. तो दो components हैं. Crisis of ethical values in modern times is traced to narrow perception of good life. तो ये जो narrow perception है good life का, how that is leading to ethical crisis, ये आपको relate करके लिखना है. So if we see the introduction, in this introduction briefly talk about the narrow perception जो आज की डेट में हो रहा है, जो good life का narrow perception हो गया है. What is it? So you will talk about how materialism, wealth accumulation, personal success, instant gratification, these narrow perceptions of good life are diminishing the focus on ethical and moral values. Like you can mention 1 or 2 words, keywords. आपको सारे ethical values नहीं लिखने हैं. Point number 1. You don't have to make introduction of 1 paragraph like 7-8 lines. नहीं. 3 to 4 lines where you are writing certain elements of the narrow perception of good life and you are linking it with the how that it is leading to diminishing or how it is causing degradation of moral values. इतना लिख दिया. Now after that you will come to body part. Now the tip number 2 for the day is that whenever you get such question, there is always a scope of writing the answer in paragraph format, at least in such questions. Point format में भी लिखना चाहिए, लेकिन there is no set pattern and you should not do that. You diversify your answer. किसी में point wise लिखो, किसी में paragraph format में हमें लिखना चाहिए. So this is one such question where you can always try out writing the explanation in the paragraph format. थोड़ा explanatory type है, आपको explain करने के लिए paragraph helpful होंगे, right? So, but yeah, organic flow has to be maintained. In body, you talk about different dimensions. For example, in today's world, the aim of life is acquisition of money, power, prestige. So how it is compromising the other aspects of good life? When you are focusing on acquisition of money, power, wealth, then you are doing or you are involving yourself into various type of sins, crimes, then definitely it is degradation of moral values. Talk about the other dimension, how consumerism is happening in today's world. एक narrow perception है कि हमारे पास गाड़ी होना चाहिए, घोड़ा होना चाहिए, बंगला होना चाहिए. You remember, मैं पहले अपने स्टूडेंट्स को ये जब भी क्लास लेता हूँ तो मैं हमेशा ये बात बताता हूँ कि पहले आपको अगर याद हो, when we used to get 1 shirt or 1 cloth on our festivals, we used to cherish, we used to celebrate. But because of consumerism today, the good life, perception of good life, कि हमारे पास बहुत होना चाहिए, and now we can afford it. So the perception today is कि होना चाहिए. Now we are bringing that cloth. बहुत सारे कपड़े खरीद के लाते हैं. But you just ask yourself, what was the feeling when you used to get 1 cloth on the festival days, and today when our wardrobes are full of different varieties of clothes, do you have same feeling, same emotion, same values towards those clothes or the event या जिसने खरीदा उसके प्रति? Definitely not. There was a time, even in your childhood, you would have come across this. Even if one equipment, कुछ नया घर में आ जाता था, refrigerator or mixer or anything, or one scooter, we used to celebrate, we used to do puja. आज भी पूजा करते हैं. But the emotion, the values which were there at that point of time, the bond, the depth, is it the same today? Definitely not. So we are in a world where we are focusing on consumerism more and more, more and more. For whom? More and more for self-interest, self. And when we are focusing on self, we are not giving priorities to others. So sacrifice की भावना नहीं है. Consumerism की भावना है. For me, for me, for me. और आने दो. Definitely it has some negative impact on environment as well, but that we will talk later. So these are the narrow perception and what it is leading to. Relate and link. सो पैराग्राफ में भी लिख रहा हो, सो राइट एंड देन लिंक इट विद द नैरो परसेप्शन ऑफ गुड लाइफ इज लीडिंग टू व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एथिकल डिग्रेडेशन ऑफ वैल्यूज, मॉरल डिग्रेडेशन, एथिकल डिग्रेडेशन, कुछ भी बोल सकते हो, डिग्रेडेशन ऑफ वैल्यूज, डिग्रेडेशन ऑफ moral values, degradation of ethical values. Third dimension you can write about that in today's world means are important. आपके जो गोल हैं वो important नहीं, means are important. For example, if you want to get power or prestige or you want to acquire money, we are indulging in the corrupt activities. Crony capitalism is happening, scandals, inequality, crime, criminalization of politics, politicization of crime. Those things are happening. You can use such words, ethical keywords, jargons you can use, but over nahi karna hai. Just a sprinkle here and there. So you can tell how the values like integrity, honesty, sab compromise ho raha hai. Misuse of power, misuse of authority, it is happening. Then other dimension you can write that in nowadays, in today's world, the ethical values which were considered as the elements or the ingredients of happy life, good life, are becoming the roadblock for today's modern life. For example, happiness, satisfaction, minimalism, contentment, peace, mutual respect, now it is considered as hurdle in the narrow perception of good life. So they are considered as roadblocks. So that dimension also you can give, right? Next, you can write, अब ये जो means versus end है, ऐसे में आप गांधी जी, that okay, according to Gandhi ji, means versus goods wali debate, or Immanuel Kant, you can sprinkle such thinkers, Western thinkers, Indian thinkers, philosophers को आप quote कर सकते हो. Greed, never ending demands, we know there is a quote, there is enough for everybody's need but not for greed. ये गांधी जी का quote आप use करके बता सकते हो that nowadays never ending demands are there. And because of that we are prioritizing economy over ecology, and that is leading to climate change. So with the debate we know, development versus ecology, development versus conservation. So there also we have seen ki how greed is leading to, how greed is definitely a narrow perception of good life, how it is leading to crisis, environmental crisis, which is definitely against the values of, ethical values of environment, environmental ethics ke against hai. But we are not focusing there, right? So that way you have to link, that interlinking is very, very important. Wealth without work, we know that 7 sins of Gandhiji. One sin is wealth without work. That way you can use Gandhiji, you can use Gandhiji's philosophy of 7 sin. That is how you have to sprinkle. Wealth without work is happening and it is leading to black money, tax evasion is happening. So that way we should conclude. That way we should write the body, right? So ये सारे dimensions आप introduction body में लिखोगे and you will link it with the demand of the question. Tip number 3, again, let me reiterate this, that if we don't identify the demand of the question, it is waste. Because many times it will happen that you will write about good life, but you will not write about the ethical crisis. But the question is asking about the narrow perception of good life, how it is leading to ethical crisis. So we need to understand the demand of the question. At the same time, we need to do the interlinking. At the same time, we need to give the examples. We have to use the ethical jargons. We have to sprinkle the philosophers or the thinkers a limited amount में. So through this discussion, I have tried my best to showcase everything. कि कैसे आपको introduction रखना है, कैसे आपको link करना है, understand कैसे करना है. Now the one component is the conclusion aspect. So in such question, the conclusion, अभी आप क्या लिखोगे? That yes, now our vision for good life, we need to, when we are planning for good life, the vision for the good life is there, then we should include the values like honesty, respect, mutual growth, cooperation, because we are seeing what kind of crisis is happening, right? You can tell, okay, we can learn these values from the life of Gandhiji, APJ Abdul Kalam. You can use the name of the leaders or the philosophers, or you can also take the help of a quotation. Using that quotation, you can symbolize or you can write the meaning of a good life. And that is how you should end the conclusion, that what can be a way forward, what can be the meaning of good life, how we can redefine the good life in present world, right? So that should be the structure of the question. So this is all in today's video, and I'm very sure that you would have learned not only the content, ये जो 3-4 tips आपको दी, answer writing में आपको help करेगा, and through these PYQs we are trying to build your strong foundation for ethics. And we are getting a lot of queries about ethics classes as well. So let me reiterate this, let me tell you this. Ethics classes for 2025 students, we will start from 15th of August. Mostly it will be a weekend batch which will be helpful for you because ethics में आपको सब एक हफ्ते एक महीने में पढ़ के आप absorb नहीं कर पाओगे. So we'll space out the classes so that you can learn, write the PYQs, write the practice questions which we will give, do our homework and revise it effectively. So wait for the announcements, we will announce. You are most welcome to join it if you lack any kind of conceptual clarity, right? So this is all in today's video. Stay tuned, and while we are discussing these questions, you should take your notes, you should take the notes of the tips which we are discussing and the content most importantly. See you all in the next video.